All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I have teamed up with 1MORE. Remember 1MORE? I used to work with them all the time, but they are back and they've got some very high quality over-the-ear headphones we're going to look at today. So these are QuietMax AI noise canceling. So that's the first time I've seen something like that from an OEM. QuietMax AI noise canceling. Interesting. Well, I will definitely put it to the test. 1MORE SonoFlow Pro over-the-ear headphones, HQ51s, high-res audio wireless. So basically you can plug in or you can get it wirelessly. So taking a look here, 40 millimeter drivers is what I was looking for to share with you. 40 millimeter drivers, 100 hours of battery life. It's going to be pretty good. Again, that AI environmental noise cancellation. So essentially what it's going to do is use AI to quiet down the area for you. 12 studio grade EQs would be nice, wired or wirelessly. So you got LDAC and it's Bluetooth 5.3 more than likely. I don't think they will release anything less than that at this point. But here's a quick look at the specs and then we'll crack open this box here and we're going to go ahead and get it going. So you can pause and take a look at this if you want to, but let's get going. All right, I was wondering if it was going to have a nice box inside, and it sure does. Should have some literature. Yep, there we go. So you got some instruction manuals here, but it's nothing to use earbuds and headphones. You pair them up, you use them, folks. So this is going to be pretty interesting. Nice box. This kind of reminds me of my Sony headphone box. So let's go ahead and get in here. All right, opens up. Very nice. Okay, so these are the blue models. You know, I was kind of hoping that they sent over the blue ones, and I'm glad I teamed up with them because obviously I want to pair it with the blue Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first thing you got here, you're faced with, you've got some cables here, and it's going to be your charging cable, and it's also going to be your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Now, one thing about this one I like already, it's got the button here. So if I make phone calls, I'll be able to answer phone calls without taking the headphones off or answering from the phone. Little short USB cable here, but we've got plenty of USB cables. This is just extra padding right here for shipping. So when you put them in, you'll put them in like this. So let's get this out of the way here. And here are the headphones. Wow, looking pretty good. Okay. So they obviously you can see they fold away. Nice little snap in there. See how, yeah, it snaps together. So they're labeled right. Let's get around here. Labeled right and left, so you can't mess that up. These definitely kind of remind me of my Sonys, man. This is pretty crazy that this is how this is. When I first saw these, I was like, whoa. These look like my Sonys, but they definitely don't cost the price of the Sonys, man. That's for sure. So if you're wondering what the price of these are just under $88. So that's a pretty good deal, considering that they sound as good as they used to sound back in the day with 1MORE. So you got a volume rocker here. You got your noise canceling button there. And then on this side here, you got your power button. So you'll probably have to long press when it powers on, and then you'll get the pairing mode, which is pretty good. Right off the rip, the cushions feel really soft and nice. Look, got some memory foam going on there. So that means when you see that memory foam and that bounce back right there, that just means that you're going to be able to wear these for quite a long time with no fatigue. And yeah, so the buds fold away nicely. You can see how they go into the packaging. This is how they're going to go into the packaging. The same way you took them out, you put them back in. And this more than likely extends. Build quality on the headphones themselves. There's probably some hard cardboard under here or hard plastic. But then you do have this metal sheet here to protect. You've got some 1MORE branding right here. And then you've got the 1MORE logo. I like the 1MORE logo on there. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, so let's get these paired up and let's check them out. I think these might be pretty cool. We're going to pair them up right now and I'll tell you how they feel. I'm going to listen to them for a little bit and then I'll come back and tell you how I feel about them. So I just want to let you know I am wearing them right now and they came at 70% charge. So let me go ahead and use it for a little bit, then I'll come back. So real quick, after you install the 1MORE application, you'll be faced with this quick tutorial right here. It tells you how to work with the switch when you have it plugged in or not. And it also talks about how you can use the power button and volume up and down and stuff like that. All right. So, yeah, definitely been checking it out. And I got to tell you, these are a solid set of earbuds, over the ear headphones, I should say. Now, first things first, I've only been testing these for less than 30 minutes. And I got to say that the comfort and feel of these, it is right on par with most higher priced headphones that, claim to be premium. So One More definitely has something on their hands here. Coming in at about just under $88 is actually a pretty good deal. And I've reviewed a lot of headphones, and I think that if you decide to pick these up, I don't think you'll be disappointed with the comfort and feel. I did have a little trouble with the app recognizing the headphones. There's actually more than one app, so just be sure you get the right app. But other than that, man, I think sound quality, noise canceling is crazy. When you put these on, like right now, the noise canceling is off the charts. I can barely hear myself talking. It really isolates the sound, and if I turn on music, it's definitely good to go. So this is some of the strongest noise canceling I've ever seen, or heard on a product that I've got, folks. I have a boatload of headphones and earbuds, and they all range from different pricing. So I'm not just reviewing earbuds and over-the-ear headphones that are over $100. I have got a wide variety, and I got to tell you, I'm impressed with what I see right now from One More. One More has always been a good brand from back in the day, but currently, this is the first time I've reviewed One More in at least 2 to 3 years or more, and they've made a strong comeback as far as I can see. So, yeah, I'll leave a link to these in the description. These come in like a gray color. This is the blue color, and they also have a black color. So I think you'll be impressed with these, to say the least. And I think for the price, you're probably going to, as soon as you pull these out of the box, you're going to be thinking Sony. That's what you're going to be thinking. And it's okay that these kind of remind me of Sony earbuds or headphones, because that's a good thing. If you're competing with Sony, you're doing it the right way. So, I don't have very many bad things to say at this point. Actually, anything. Actually, I just need to use them more. That's the thing. When you get a set of headphones in, now I've got to use these for at least a week and probably follow up again and tell you what I think about them as far as battery life goes and sound quality, listening to different genres of music. So I will let you guys know. Wow. Maybe that'll be the thumbnail. Okay, I think I got it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to get back to listening. Wow, that noise canceling is strong. This is my first experience, I believe, with just full-on AI noise canceling in combination with a set of headphones. I'll see you in the next video. Link to purchase is down below. Take care.